The largest indoor dealership in New Jersey is located right here on Route 22 in Hillside. Route 22 Toyota, minutes from Newark and New York. Once you enter, you realize right away that this is no ordinary dealership. It's a showplace, large enough for you to see, touch, and explore our huge selection of new and pre-owned Toyotas. Plus, our dedicated staff of customer associates will guide you through all the incredible features and innovative touches of every car we offer. We even accommodate future drivers while you shop. We are proud of our sleek, comfortable customer lounge. So while you explore our Toyota product line, know that you are in the finest, most up-to-date dealership in New Jersey, and that everything we do, everything we are, and everything you see at Route 22 Toyota has but one goal: uncompromising customer satisfaction.